That was my phone. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lina, and today I decided to do a 3 looks 1 palette tutorial using the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. It's one of their new 10 pan palettes, and I went into CVS to get something else and I saw that Wet n Wild was having like a buy one get one 50% off sale, so I picked up the Not a Basic Peach and the Comfort Zone palette, and I decided today to do the 3 tutorials for this one, and then I'll be doing another one for the Comfort Zone, so keep an eye out for that. And if you want to see how to get the 3 looks with the Not a Basic Peach palette, then just keep watching. Okay, so for my first look, I'm going to start off with this light transition to start off buffing in my crease, and I'm just using a really fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm going to use a small tapered blending brush and this deeper transition shade to deepen out my crease. Next, I'm going to take a flat lay down brush and put this orange shade all over my lid. And then I'm going to take my small tapered blending brush and just blend the lid and crease shade together. And then I'm going to use my finger and this like gold red duochrome. It's a little bit more of a topper finish, so I'm going to use my finger to press that all over the orange shade we just laid down. And then I'm going to take a fluffy lay down brush and put this light cream shade into my brow bone. Alright, and then I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes and do my face makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm going to take a small pencil brush and I'm going to put this gold shade into my inner corner. To finish off the look, I'm going to smudge this orange shade underneath my lash line with a small shading brush, and I'm going to tuck it super close underneath my lash line. I'm just going to connect it to the upper eye in this little corner crease. Alright, I'm going to put on some mascara, and that will be the finished look. Okay, so for the second look, I just took off my previous makeup. I'm gonna leave my face makeup on because I don't feel like doing it again. So for the second look, I'm gonna start with this deep transition shade in my crease using a small tapered blending brush. I'm gonna start off really light and build my way up. And I am gonna pull this into my outer corner just a tiny bit to create a cat eye. Next, I'm gonna take the ColourPop blending brush and this light transition shade and buff out the edges of that deeper transition. I'm just really lightly running this along the edges of where I placed that other shadow. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this purple shade. It's got a gold sparkle to it, and I'm gonna wet that and put it into my outer corner with a angled flat shader brush. I'm going to use the angle to really gently pull this through my crease just to kind of blend it in with that transition color. Next, I'm going to take a detail flat shader brush and this gold shade, and I'm going to wet it and put it onto the inner half of my eye while blending it into that purple shade. Next, I'm going to take a small pencil brush and put this light ivory, it's like a satin finish, and I'm going to put that into my inner corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on some concealer and clean up underneath my eyes and stuff, and I will be right back. Alright, so for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take this peachy pink shade with a small dome tip, like lay down brush, and I'm gonna smudge that underneath my lash line. And I'm gonna blend that up into the upper eye look. Alright, I'm gonna go put on some mascara, and that will be the finished look. Okay, so I took off my eyeshadow and concealer. I'm leaving on my mascara because my eyes are starting to get kind of raw. Why I thought I should do 3 looks in one day, I don't really know. But we're started, we're gonna finish. So for this third and last look, I'm going to take this lightest transition shade to start out my crease with a fluffy blending brush. I just zoomed you in a little bit because it was a bit far out. I had zoomed it out to take pictures of the last look. Alright, and then I'm going to take a small tapered blending brush and this orangey shade and put that into the front half of my crease. Alright, I'm going to use the same brush and this deeper transition shade on my outer half of my crease and a little bit into my outer corner. And then I'm gonna go back in with that light transition shade and the fluffy brush to buff out the edges of everything and make it nice and seamless. All right, and then I'm gonna take a flat lay down brush and this peachy pink shade, and I'm gonna wet it and put it all over my lid. I'm gonna take a fluffy lay down brush and this light ivory shade and put that on my brow bone. All right, I'm gonna go do my concealer and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to put this light ivory shade on my inner corner with a small pencil brush. I'm gonna kind of blend that up into that peachy pink shade. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna put this blue smudged into my lower lashes, and I'm gonna use the same small pencil brush for that. And then to put in my waterline, I'm gonna put a white eyeliner. This is Exit by ColourPop. And then I'm gonna create a little bit of a new, what's it called? Inner corner by drawing this really lightly on the bottom of my inner corner. All right, so I'm gonna go put on mascara again, and that will be the finished look. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and keep an eye out for my next 3 looks 1 palette tutorial using the Awhile Comfort Zone. And if you like my content, make sure to subscribe. I'll put a little thing right here you can click on. And if you want to see more tutorials, then I'll leave my playlist right here for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!